Thank you for watching Sweet Eminence Candle Company. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Today we are going to make wax melts for the 4th of July using paraffin wax. Since we are only using 3 colors, we will cut 3 pieces of wax. As always, we will prepare our heat source to melt the wax. For this project we will use the double boil method to melt the candle wax. Now we can add the wax to the pouring pitcher. We sped up the process for the sake of time. Now we will prepare the first color, which will be red. Place a few drops into the melted wax. The more drops, the darker the color will be. Now we can blend the melted wax and candle dye by stirring them for a few seconds. Let's see how it turned out. Let's prepare the clamshells for the wax melts. We'll pour our first color, which is the red. Don't forget to let the heated wax cool before pouring so it does not melt the clamshells. Now we will prepare the next color, which will be the blue. And just like before, stir the heated wax and candle dye for a few seconds in order to blend them together. Now we can pour our second color, which is the blue. Let's check the progress so far. For the last step, we will pour the final color, which will be white. In this case, we don't need white candle dye because, as you saw in the beginning, the wax is naturally white once it cools. We'll add a time lapse so you can actually see the clear wax turn white. And here is the finished product. I hope you all enjoyed the demonstration, and happy 4th of July to everyone.